Once you've installed your device and activated your Roku account, you're ready to add some channels. To get started, press the Home button on your remote. Arrow down to Streaming Channels and press OK to open your channel store. Here, you'll find a list of features, new and notable, just added, most popular, top free, and search categories. Arrow down to Most Popular and press OK. If you don't see the channel you're looking for, press the Home button and select Search from the menu. Use your remote to type the channel you're looking for. When you find the one you'd like to add, press OK to open the details. Select Add Channel to add it to your menu. If the channel requires a paid subscription, you'll be prompted to create an account or log in when you go to watch that channel for the first time. If the channel is free, simply select Add Channel to install it on your Roku menu. To browse a list of free channels, press the Home button and choose Streaming Channels. Arrow down to Top Free. We recommend the Roku channel, Crackle, or Pluto TV for tons of great movies and classic content. Any channels you add will appear on the bottom of your channel list. To move them, press the Home button and use the arrow buttons to select the tile you wish to move. Press the star button and select Move Channel. Relocate the channel using the arrow keys and press OK when you're satisfied with the new location. When browsing lists or channel grids, press the reverse scan button or forward scan button to page up or down. So there you have it, just a few quick steps and you'll be on your way to streaming TV.